Hi all, welcome to my quick guide on how to get PUBG Mobile, the new Livic map, installed completely for free onto your iPhone. So what does this app give you? Well, it's a modded version of the fabulous PUBG Mobile game. It gives you PrimePlus access and 6,000 in cash to spend. So on your iPhone, simply go into Settings, into General, and you're looking for Background App Refresh. So click in there and again, and check that your Wi-Fi and mobile data is switched on. Then you simply go back into Settings, this time looking for battery. There we go, and make sure your low power mode is switched off. So once you finish that, go back to your home screen. Android users can come in at this point. So the next step is simply click on Safari and go to the following address. It's getmods.cc, and in the little search box we're looking for PUBG. So you can see PUBG Mobile. We're going to click on that and then click to start the process. So this downloading process only takes a few seconds to do, but it does require you to install 2 free apps and follow some simple instructions once you've installed them. And you need to do that in order to get this premium app. So we're nearly finished. Okay, so excellent. So the instruction here, so you must install the 2 free apps and follow the instructions fully on each one to get your modified PUBG mobile app. So you can see there's a range of free apps to choose from. Each of them may have slightly different instruction. For instance, the Norton requires you to download and install the app and then simply run it for 30 seconds. So we're going to pick that one. So click on free, click to get started, click to open, redirects us to the App Store, and I'll download Norton. So whilst that's downloading, I'm going to go back to the home screen. You can see it downloading there. And once Norton completes downloading, you would need to then, for instance, go in and run it for at least 30 seconds. So for the purpose of the video, I'm not going to do that. But once you've done that step, just simply go back into Safari and choose a different app. Pick one where the instruction is easy enough for you to do. So this time I'm going to pick the Free Prints one. Same process as before. Go to the App Store and then simply click to download. So whilst that's downloading, again, I'm going to go back to my home screen. You can see it downloading. Okay, so once you've installed both of the free apps and followed the instructions carefully, you simply then need to go back into Safari and it'll prompt you to install the PUBG mobile app for free, and you've got access to the premium content. If that doesn't work, I would suggest simply going in and downloading a 3rd free app and following the instruction on it. So hopefully you find that video useful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll talk to you again soon.